7 facts that only rich people know. Lots of billionaires in the world are living modest lives. One of these rich people is Warren Buffett, famously known as the Oracle of Omaha. According to Forbes, his net worth is $91.9 billion. I was surprised that he lives in a calm neighborhood in Omaha in a home worth $850,000. He bought this home in 1958 for $31,500. Buffett could buy any property in the world, but he chose to live a modest life in a small home and a small town. Well, he is not the only one living a modest life. In his book, The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas Stanley says that more than 80% of the millionaires in the United States are ordinary people who accumulated their wealth in one generation. Most live like normal people in middle-class neighborhoods, driving modest cars. These rich people know some facts about wealth and life which have made them successful. I am going to reveal some of them. They invest in themselves, because it adds value. It's a great idea to invest your money in bonds, stocks, or anything that brings you a decent return, but nothing is more valuable than investing in yourself. Why not learn a new skill? When you invest yourself, you are increasing your own worth. Harry Truman, the 33rd President of the United States, said, "Not all readers are leaders, but all leaders are readers. Millionaires are millionaires because they have a constant desire to learn. They know money isn't everything. Rich people know that money is not everything. Some of the humblest people of all are also the richest of all. Why? Because their goal wasn't to get rich but to offer something good to the world or improve their community. They know it's their responsibility to give back to society with all their money. However, not all rich people are generous. Some are greedy too. For them, goals matter. Rich people are more focused on achieving a specific goal than ordinary people. They are firm in pursuing their goals, whether they are personal, professional, or financial. Let's be honest, without goals, you are just wandering aimlessly. If you have no vision, you have little motivation. They stay away from debt. You will never find a rich person overspending. If they have their eyes on something they cannot afford, they simply save money to buy it. They hardly owe anything to the bank, and that's why they are rich. They know if they want to build wealth, they must avoid debt. Keep track of cash flows. Rich people know that they cannot become rich without a plan. Wealth is built on budgeting your basics. Then, you just follow that budget. It is not just us average income earners who make a budget, the rich people do too. They always keep track of cash flows in their bank account. Every millionaire knows budgeting is the key to winning more money. They believe in giving. Sure, some rich people are stingy, but not all are like that. In fact, there are lots of millionaires out there who love to give to charity. They have a caring spirit. Some of the rich actually continue building their wealth just to help others. They are well aware that they can't take their money with them when they die, so they also spend it on a good cause. They know they can't succeed on their own. Rich people build teams, and not just any teams, extremely motivated teams. They search for devoted individuals who share the same vision as them. They also make sure their team players get financial benefits from their success. They know that without the cooperation of their team, they can't succeed. They know they can't do everything on their own.